You want to change the font in Windows 11, but you cannot find the correct option. You are not alone. In this video, I will show you what settings are actually available, what windows removed, and how to properly and accurately change the system font step by step. On your Windows 11 PC or a laptop, when you open a font setting, here you can see a list of all installed fonts on your computer, where you can preview the fonts, open them, and even install the new fonts here. But notice that there is no option to set any of these as your default system fonts. Windows does allow you to change the text size. If you go to accessibility, then text size and adjust it from here. You can also change the display scaling, which makes everything larger or smaller, including text. But changing the font style, like switching to Arial or Calibri, is not available in Windows setting anymore. By default, Windows uses the Segoe UI font for its interface, even though it's not shown as selected, but it's the system font that is used everywhere. And you can see this same font style across menus, settings, and the file explorer. Now let's see how actually change the system font. This method uses a registry tweak, so follow each step carefully. On your Windows machine, in the Start menu, type Run, and here we want to navigate to Fonts. Type here Fonts and click OK. Now here, just go ahead and finalize the font you want to use. For example, I want to use Comic Sans MS font. Okay, now in the next step, go ahead and copy this exact code from the video description. And here, please change the font name according to your requirement. If you see in the beginning of video, I have decided to select Comic Sans MS font for my PC. So that's why I have updated Comic Sans here. Now go to File, then go to Save As, and here I want to name it font change.reg. Make sure to type the correct extension, that is reg. Now in the Save As type, go ahead and select all file. I want to save it on my desktop. You could save it anywhere you want. Now let's close this and double click on your new registry file, and then again click yes on the USC, and here it's asking, are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. The keys and value contained this path have been successfully added to registry. Click OK again. And the last thing what we have to do is to restart our PC so that the correct font gets updated here. That's great. It looks like the font has been changed on my PC. Let's open up the File Explorer to make sure if the fonts are changes to Comic Sans MS. You could see all of the fonts are now changed. Perfect. And this looks very beautiful. Let's go to settings and increase the size to verify. Okay, you see, now I got Comic Sans MS font updated everywhere in my PC. So that's it about today's quick video. I hope you enjoyed this quick and to the point video. Please note that the registry code is mentioned in the video description. So thanks for watching ITPK, and I will see you in the next one.